Don't download Marketocracy app before watching this. If you're considering Marketocracy app to test your stock trading skills or compete in investment challenges, hold on. Most people assume it's just a fun simulation, but the surprising truth is that it has some limitations that could impact your real-world investing decisions. Marketocracy is a platform that allows users to manage simulated portfolios with real market data. It even hosts competitions to compare performance against other users. While this sounds exciting, here's where most people get it wrong. Simulated trading does capture the emotional and financial pressures of real investing. You can make aggressive trades in a demo account without risking real money, but the mindset needed in actual trading is entirely different. Another issue is transaction realism. Some Marketocracy competitions allow unlimited trades without accounting for fees, slippage or liquidity. This creates an unrealistic picture of returns and can mislead beginners into overestimating potential profits. On the positive side, Marketocracy is excellent for learning. It helps users understand stock selection, portfolio diversification, and market strategies without risking capital. You can experiment with different approaches and see how your strategies perform over time. In conclusion, don't download Marketocracy expecting a true reflection of real-world investing. Use it as an educational tool, but always remember that real investing involves risk, fees, and emotional discipline that a simulated environment can't replicate. By combining the app with real research and practice, you can improve your skills while avoiding costly mistakes.